Deb's Villa Cucina time. Cooking also includes cleaning. And in this crazy time of making sure that we're cleaning every surface in our hands so much, I wanted to share a product that I just absolutely love. I've used it for over 40 years. It has a 72-hour lasting effect on hard surfaces, and it kills over 40 bacteria, fungus, viruses, including herpes and staph. And you can use it in your bathrooms, your toilets, around your garbage and diaper pails, on your appliances. You can spray your handles on your doorknobs, your toilets, your refrigerators. You can spray it, for 1 minute, and then make sure you wash it off if you're going to put food on it. But other than that, if you're washing floors, like for pets or whatever, wash up the floor, let it dry for a minute, and you're good to go. It is amazing, but it's back ordered, of course, until the middle of April. Those up and switch over to the Basic G, Shaklee Basic G. Item code number 00525, and of course you'll want the spray unit that goes with it, item code 50531. Disinfectant that also cleans, which is a rarity. Be safe.